Friends. Hi friends, I am Balaji and today I am going to explain the different commands in the SolidWorks 2014. First we have to go from the file and new. Here it is a part, assembly and drawing. You should have to click the part and click as OK. After clicking the OK, here is a sketch, feature, sketch, evaluate, dim, expert, office product. If you go for the sketch, here is a line. For entering the line, there is a line and center line. After that, here is a corner rectangle. If you click the corner rectangle, center rectangle, 3-point rectangle, 3-point center rectangle and parallelograms. After that, here it is a circle and the perimeter circle. And then here it is center point arc, tangential arc, 3-point arc. For example, if you go and select the front plane, here it is the front plane. There is a shortcut key to go to the normal, control plus 8. Here is a normal, draw a line, hence we are using it option. And after that, if you want to use the circle, go to the circle option and use it. Take a circle and use it. If you want to change the dimension, then take as 30 or 40, take as enter and then tick OK over here, and hence we can find the dimension. If you want any dimension, smart dimensioning is there, just simply right click and change it. 30, click OK. Here is a 30 diameter and then exit it. And if you want to extrude the things, here is the extrude boss base. Click extrude boss base, and if suppose you want to extrude it, click it and extrude it. Here click OK. See, here it is an extrude. And after the session I will explain brief about the features of the SolidWorks. Thank you for watching this video.